Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to see the next part on the same topic, that is the exponents and powers. So this is the question given: by what number should we multiply minus 6 raised to minus 1 to obtain a product equal to 9 raised to minus 1. So let us consider the number as x. So then what are we going to write here? This minus 6 raised to minus 1 multiplied by, because they said multiply, what number should we multiply? Multiply by x is equal to n raised to minus 1. So the exponent will make it to positive. This will keep the minus same as it. So this becomes the reciprocal. So again here, this is 9 raised to minus 1. So this also, we have to make the exponent as positive. That will be 1 by 9. So x is going to be this one, 1 by 9 as it is. If this goes on the other side, that is going to get flip over. That will be minus 6 by 1. So now the value of x will be minus 6 as to minus 6 divided by 9. So this we have to simplify it. So 3 2s are and 3 3s are. So the answer is x is minus 2 by 3. So we can write, hence the required number is minus 2 by 3. So here they said what number should this minus 20 raised to minus 1 be divided to obtain minus 10 raised to minus 1. So let the number be x. So then we are going to write here this same, but divided by x is minus 10 raised to minus 1. So again we are going to make the exponent as positive. So we are going to flip over this as it is. This we have to make the exponent as positive. So we are going to write the reciprocal, that is the flip over. So now see here, this will be as it is, but now here we'll make this division to multiplication. Since we have made this to multiplication, this x is going to be 1 by x. This as it is. So now let us do here 1 by x skip as it is. This skip as it is. This if you take on the other side, this is going to be minus 20 by 1. See, minus 1 by 20, or if you write here 1 by minus 20, both is the same. So we can write this as minus 20 by 1. So 1 by x will be 10 ones are 10 twos are. So in the numerator we get 2 and in the denominator 1, but this minus and this minus becomes plus. So this is just 2. So now we want the value of x. So x is going to be, this is 2. So this will get flip over, that will be 1 by 2. Or we can also write this x as, if this goes up, that will be minus 1. Now this is a little different here. So this is given 2 raised to 1998, 2 raised to 1997 minus 2 raised to 1996 plus 2 raised to 1995 is equal to k into 2 raised to 1995. That the value of k is. So what are we going to do? We will just take this one as this 1995. We can divide this throughout by 1995. So this divided by 2 raised to 1995. Again this divided by 2 raised to 1995. This divided by 2 raised to 1995. This divided by 2 raised to 1995. This also k into this divided by 2 raised to 1995. So here what happens here, k multiplied by means here this is going to get cancelled. Now what we can see, the base is the same. So 1998 minus 1995, because we have the formula a raised to m divided by a raised to n, that is a raised to m minus n. So this is going to get subtracted. So it will be 1998 minus 1995, that will be 2 raised to 3. Again here 1997, this will be 97 minus 95, that will be 2 raised to 2. 96 minus 95, that will be 1, 2 raised to 1. And this 95 minus this is going to be 2 raised to 0. This and this gets cut, that will be k. So 2 raised to 3 means 2 into 2 into 2, that is going to be 8. 2 raised to 2 means 4. 2 raised to 1 means 2. And anything raised to 0, that is going to be 1. So what will we do here? 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So the value of k is 3. Now look at here, if they said 2 raised to n plus 2 minus 2 raised to n plus 1 plus 2 raised to n is equal to c into 2 raised to n, find the value of c. So here what we can see when we take this, so this can be also written as 2 raised to n into 2 raised to 2, because this is the formula a raised to m plus n is a raised to m into a raised to n. So everywhere we can see 2 raised to n common. So we'll just take here 2 raised to n. So what remains here will be 2 raised to 2. So as I said, a raised to m into a raised to n, that is a raised to m plus n, or we can write a raised to m plus n is a raised to m into a raised to n. So this is m plus n. So that will be a raised to m into a raised to n. Again here same, 2 raised to n is gone. So what remains is 2 raised to 1. Again here 2 raised to n is gone. So there is nothing, means you have to multiply by 1. This as it is. So now what we can do, this 2 raised to n you can write as it. But this one, if you bring it on this side, so this is going to get divided. So 2 2s are 4 minus 2, this is 1, is equal to here c, because this went over here. This and this gets cut. So 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So 3 is c. Therefore, c is equal to 3. So by this, we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to this channel so you get the notification of the other part and many more. Thank you.